This is my water Uber. It's a very expensive Uber. This is the only way to get home when you live on the water. Open sesame. They're opening it. Wow, how kind to open a whole bridge for us. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Watch out for the security. Mom? Whoa, hold on.
That's an adventure.
Got it. Thanks. Yay! We did it.
I did it.
Hey, thanks for the ride. See you next time. We're back on the boat. No fish, no lobster. It was too crazy, but that's okay. Family's still here. We had a great time. Love you guys. Bye.